Hey guys, it's me Ram the Cuber and I wish you all a very happy new year. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Cubelelo Elite Go Gone Xinghen M. So for some reason I can't really find my other knife, so I'm just going to be using this old one of mine. If you guys remember on my old channel, I used to use this one and I can't really find my other one, but I'll definitely be able to find it. Go ahead and open this up. Here we go. Here's the receipt, which I can't really show you guys. Here's the Cube Elite Go Gone Xinghen M, and what else? This cube stand. So here's the 2x2. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Here we go. This is just some pamphlet of Moyu, some extra magnets. These look quite small. This box, I'll just put that off to the side. This looks good. First turns. Oh, the first turns, I am a tad bit disappointed. The magnets aren't really as strong as I want them to be. They are just too weak. They are there, but I can only feel them while turning very slowly. Man, I wish they were a bit stronger. This is just way too light for me. But it turns quite nice. It has fairly fast and smooth turning. But the only problem is the magnets are way too light. You can even hear this. Hardly any pull force. Like every time I do a turn, like it hardly even clicks into place. Well, it's okay, but I'm not the biggest fan of the magnet attraction. I'll just be back in a second. Honestly, these magnets feel lighter than the one in the GTS2M from Cubelelo. Like I can barely feel them. Even if I would have bought a regular Elite Xinghen, I would be turning pretty much the same. These magnets are too weak for me. Anyways, let's go ahead and do a quick solve. I haven't solved 2x2 for quite a long time. Like I don't really practice it much. Okay. Excuse the poor solves. So overall, this is pretty good. Actually, I'm enjoying the turning. Just the thing is that the magnets are way too weak. Okay, that's about it for my unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of the Cubelelo Elite Xinghen M. Thanks a lot for watching and bye.